girls. Cinderella, Cinderella, Ododo Eleke, Olomi to wo mu share ya o, jowo gbe mi saya o. Iwájú bí ti Chelsea, ẹ̀yìn bí ti Barca, na FA La Liga, ọ̀nà ṣí ọ̀nà la o. Bákẹ́ bíbí, wá kí la bíbí ọ kíni kíni, loving you na crime, I don't mind kiri. Baby, baby, I'm Alicia, you know big banjo for Jankara.
Hey guys, it's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me. So I'm going to show you guys how I go from this to this. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my wigs using the hair diagram bold hold glue, if you guys can see that. So I'm going to show you guys how I install that, and of course I'm going to be showing you guys how I come up with this chocolatey beat. I hope you guys are excited for this tutorial because I had a blast as always filming this for you. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to check out another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you do turn on your notification so you can be notified every time I upload. And if you're not following me on any of my social media, it'll be somewhere on the screen, so make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get right into this tutorial. Alright guys, so we're getting started. So I have my hair braided. I've had this braid in for about 3 weeks now, and I gelled my edges back with Gots to Be glue, the clear gel. Next thing I do is I go on with my wig cap, and I like to use the black wig cap. I've been using this wig cap for a long time. I like it. I like my method. Next, I'm going to be going in with the hair diagram bold hold glue, and as you guys can see, I'm just doing little dots on in front of my hairline, and then I'm taking like a little back end of a eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just using it just to blend it back, and then I'm going to start fanning with my hand. One thing you need to do is you need to let this dry clear before you do another coat. I'm only keeping this wig on for about a couple of days, so I'm doing 2 coats. The amount of coat you can do up to 5 will let it last a lot longer, but I tend to do 3 or 4, and 3 or 4 tends to last me about weeks or so. So once again, you want to let it air dry, or you can take a paper and just fan it dry. Just make it dry because the hair has to, the glue has to be dry before you can put on your lace, or else you're going to see the residue and it's not cute, it's gross. So this hair is from Magical Air 7 is where I got the frontal from, and this is an Ace hair bundles. I've had this wig for a long time. I made this wig a while back. So when you are putting on the wig, you want to be very, very gentle, because once you put this on the glue, you can't take it off, because once it's on, guys, it is on. So measure, know where you want to put it, know the perimeter, know the angles, know everything before you put it on, because y'all, once it's on, there's no going back. So next thing I like to do is I like to clip back the hair so I get away of any extra hair residue, and then I'm going to take my finger, I'm just going to press it down so we make sure the glue's on, and then we're going to go in with bandana. I did lay down my edges, but I didn't like it, so I took it out of the footage. Like, as you guys can see, it's not as clean as I want it to be, but it didn't matter, so I just didn't bother putting it in. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be straightening the hair. So I'm just doing a middle part. With this bundle or this unit, I like to do a middle part, or sometimes I just like to just freely just scoop it back. So I'm doing a middle part, and I'm just gonna separate the hair into 2 ends, and then I am just straightening it with my straightener. So my straightener is from GQ. No, did I just say GQ? Wow, I'm fried. I am very fried. So my straightener is it GHD? Wow, I'm bazzled. So my straightener is GHD, which is a brand Sephora carries. The straightener cost about $300. It's really, really good straightener. It gets my hair like flat, straight, as you guys can see, like super, super flat, straight. Straightening your hair is pretty, it's simple. You don't need me to go in detail. I like to do my hair in sessions, and I like to go in brushing it with the brush, and then going on with the comb after. And as you guys can see, once I am done, I'm just combing it, and I like to get the top to be really, really flat. And yeah, so I'm just brushing it in, and see how my straightener just straightens the hair like super, super straight. And then I'm just gonna hold and clip back so I can get started with my makeup tutorial. But this is really much all I can with the hair. If you guys really want a really in detail tutorial on how I lay my
frontal, please do let me know. So I'm going to be starting off with my eyes. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 30 Cafe, and I'm using this to prime my lid. I'm using it as my eyeshadow primer. I like this concealer. It's actually the same concealer I used to conceal my brows. My brows are popping, they're on fleek. For my brows, I actually used the Makeup Forever Aqua Brow in number 40. And for the eyeshadow today, we're going to be doing the Juvia Space the Nubian palette. I wanted to do something very, very simple, but still a little bit glam with this look. Like, remember, I'm going for like a chocolatey look. So I'm just blending in the first color, which is like an orangey brown kind of color, like an orangey color, and then the next color I'm going to be blending on top of that is like a literally like chocolatey brown. Actually, yeah, chocolatey brown. And then I'm just blending that in all over my crease and on my lid. And then after that, I'm gonna go in to blending in the last color, which is like a really, really dark brown. I just wanted to use 3 eyeshadow color and a shimmer because it's very simple. And another thing I always want to recommend is blend, 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 so you do not have any like rough edges. You want it to be very smooth and transition-y. So I'm going in with this shimmer color, and I'm spraying my Kat Von D setting spray just because I like when my shimmer looks very, very, very pigmented. Like, I love the pigmentation of it, and I feel like setting spray with any shimmer makes it super, super pigmented. And also, when you are applying, you want to make sure you are patting, not rubbing or anything. You want to pat it on. All right, next we're gonna just go into with my favorite liner. You guys already know the NYC liquid liner is the GOAT. Best liquid liner in the game. No liquid liners got game like this liner. Like, it's only $3 and it's OG. Like, this eyeliner is actually thebomb.com. It's super, super, super matte, and I love it. I love how it complements any look I do. I just love this eyeliner. Like, I love it. And then I'm going in with one of my fave mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm just applying that all over my lashes. You guys already know what it is with this mascara. I tend to use it a lot in my tutorial. And then for my lashes today, I'm going to be using the Xvanity.minkXlashes in the style Superstar. This lashes is super affordable. The brand actually reached out to me, wanted me to use my lashes in their tutorial, and I've been wearing their lashes for about 4 or 5 months now, and I love them. They're very, very durable, and you can reuse them as many times as you want. As you guys can see, this eye look, it's to die for. And then with the lashes, way cool now. So we're gonna start with my complexion, and for my primer today, I'm using the Hard Candy Sheer Heavy Mattifying Primer. This primer, you can get it from Walmart, CVS, any drugstore. It's super, super affordable. I really do like this primer because it does help me stay matte and keeps me oil free for the duration of the day. And then for my foundation today, I'm using my Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in 28 Clove. When I do apply this foundation on, I am gonna go a little orange, but do keep in mind this is my foundation, literally, like, this is my skin color. The foundation does not oxidize. I really do like this foundation a lot, and I like the coverage it gives me. When I put it on and it gives me this kind of orangey look, I just go in with the concealer like four shades lighter than me just to balance it out. I like the coverage of the foundation. It's really, really nice. It's a mattifying finish, and it's a foundation and a concealer in one. And then for my concealer, I'm using the Clinique concealer in the number 20, which is the medium. Like, as you guys can see, the concealer is super, super light. So I like it because it balances out the color orange that the foundation is giving me, and the concealer just makes everything balance and look like one, and I don't look like orange, you know? But yeah, so I'm just blending that concealer in. I like the coverage of this concealer as well. I would say it is a dupe for the Sephora collection. Make no mistake, but this one is not as thick. This is very, very creamy. So probably the NARS Creamy Radiance concealer would be the dupe for this one. But like, they're both expensive, so anyways, it's not really a dupe. And then I'm going in to set my concealer with the Sacha Buttercup. You guys already know this setting powder is everything to me. Like, I eat, breathe, live off of it. I love it. It's really, really good. Like, it is a good setting powder for women of color. And then to contour, I'm using the Shapeshifter palette from Urban Decay. When you use this palette, the dark colors, you want to be very, very careful because it is very muddy. And one thing I like is it's cream. You can use cream or powder because it flips. And I'm gonna set everything. I'm going in with my Sephora collection micro smooth powder in number 60 deep. This, you guys should already know, is the GOAT of all GOATs. Like, I love this I just love it so much. Like, I'm not even like bluffing. I love it. And then I'm just going in with my waterline with an NYX eye pencil, and then I'm gonna put on my mascara, the Too Faced Born This Way mascara once again. Like, you guys already know what it is with this concealer. I mean, mascara. Wow, I'm really messing up this voiceover. And then for my blush, I'm using the Sephora collection blush in Oh My Gosh. And then for my highlighter, guys, I'm using a loose highlighter from Touch Up Fancy Cosmetics, and this is in the style Gold Digger. This highlighter is very, very nice. Y'all see that glow? Oh my god, look at my nose. The highlighter is very, very nice and super inexpensive. And then for my lip, I'm using the Colourpop Cosmetics matte lipstick in Limbo. This is actually one of my favorite lipstick. I've probably used at least 3 bottles of this lipstick since I've found Colourpop, and I really, really like this color on me. It's very complimentary and it's very, very, very sultry. And last but not least, I'm going in with my Kat Von D setting spray just to set everything, make sure everything's on point and everything's popping. And yeah, guys.
Alright, I hope you guys did enjoy that tutorial. I hope I wasn't too confusing with how I installed my wigs and whatnot, and like my method. Yeah, I love the method that I use. I've been using this for a while now, and I like how my hair turns out. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to share this video with your mama, your brother, your uncle, your girlfriend, your ex-girlfriend, your baby mama. Just share the video. And if you're not following me on if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit that button right there, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And last but not least, if you're not following me on any of my social media, will be somewhere on the screen, so make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, thank you guys always for all the love and all the support. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.